Hello, children. A warm greeting to all of you. I'm sure that you would have watched the link in YouTube about the Harappan civilization. Today, I'm going to add some more details regarding it from your textbook. What are the sources to reconstruct Harappan civilization? Reconstruct means discovery from archaeological sources. 1. The Harappan civilization is reconstructed from the remains of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, two ancient cities where the Indus Valley civilization was discovered. Now, the Harappan civilization is also called as the Indus Valley civilization because it is located on the banks of river Indus. What are some of the features of Harappan civilization? They include town planning, drainage system, great bath, the assembly hall. All these I have added pictures which you will see later on. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro each had its citadel. Citadel means the topmost point of a building, and it was occupied by the members of the ruling class. The bronze figure of the dancing girl. Now I have added this as a picture. The terracotta figure of the mother goddess. I have also added this. The stone statue of the bearded man suggests that the people were skilled craftsmen. Craftsmen means people who are skilled in the art of making tools and other tools, weapons and pottery and other things. A dockyard surrounded by a massive wall. A dockyard is like a harbor. Was discovered in Lothal in Gujarat. This suggests that there were skillful navigators. Navigators means people who go to the sea. The Harappans also invented the art of writing. The art of writing was pictorial. You know, ancient Egyptians had the art of writing. It was called as hieroglyphics. Now the Harappan writing was almost familiar to this, and it was a pictorial script. I have also added a picture of this in the coming pages. Objects of Sumerian origin have been found in Harappa, and this indicates that there was trade relations between Harappa and Mesopotamia. Sumeria is the ancient Iraq, today the modern Iraq. Harappans also used cubical stones as weights. 20th century excavations led to the discovery of this civilization in Harappa in West Punjab, that's in Pakistan, and Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, that's also in Pakistan now. Since this civilization was founded on the banks of the river Indus, it is also called as the Indus Valley civilization. Now you can see a picture of the extent of the Harappan civilization. You can see the major sites: Harappa, Megra, Mohenjo-daro and Lothal. Lothal is in India and it's in Gujarat. The rest of the places are in Pakistan: Harappa, Megra and Mohenjo-daro. In 1921, archaeologist Daya Ram Sahini discovered the ruins of Harappa situated on the banks of river Ravi in West Punjab in Pakistan. In 1922-23, Rakaldas Banerjee discovered the ruins of the city Mohenjo-daro in Larkana district of Sindh, now in Pakistan. Sites also have been discovered in Lothal in Gujarat Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Alamgirpur in UP, and Banwali in Haryana. Streets. Streets were divided into rectangular blocks, which were further subdivided into a number of lanes.
Must have seen in the video.
You must have seen in the video like that. Streets were wide and straight and intersected each other at right angles. Fire-burnt bricks were used for paving the streets. Drainage. You can see the picture of this drainage. Just have a look at it. It's an awesome structure. One of the unique features of the Harappan civilization was its unique drainage. The house drains were connected to the main drains. Manholes were provided for regular inspection and cleaning. Dwelling houses. Houses were situated on both sides of the streets and were made of different sizes. Houses were made of burnt bricks of high quality. The rooms were built with an open courtyard. The Great Bath. This is one of the most significant discoveries made about the Harappan civilization. And this shows a very highly advanced state of development of the civilization. The Great Bath. Another feature that was discovered in Mohenjo-daro was the Great Bath. It consisted of four sides with an open veranda, galleries and rooms. There was a large swimming pool at the center. At each end, there were steps to ascend and descend from the pool. The Great Granary. Now, what is granary? Granary is a place where you store food.
Grains.
Food grains. Great Granary. It consisted of 2 blocks with a passage in between them. Each block had 6 halls with corridors, and each hall was further subdivided into compartments. It was built on a raised platform to prevent flooding. The Assembly Hall. The Citadel. Citadel, I told you, is the topmost point of a building. The citadel was occupied by the members of the ruling class. A pillared hall with long corridors and low benches were used as an assembly hall. Here the ruler carried out ceremonies and administrative duties. The citadel was occupied by the members of the ruling class. Food. The principal diet of the people were wheat and barley. Rice, dates, milk, mutton and poultry were also a part of diet. Dress. Men wore 2 pieces of cloth. Female dress was also the same. Women also used a loin cloth surrounded by the girdle. Loin cloth is a cloth that you wear around the waist. Ornaments. Ornaments were worn by all people. Ornaments were made of gold, silver and copper. You can see a picture of ornaments. How beautiful are they? Agriculture. The main occupation of the people was agriculture. Wheat and barley were regularly cultivated. They also grew cotton. Trade and commerce. The Harappans had trade with Eastern India, that is the Middle East, Central Asia. They used to import metals and precious stones. Objects of Sumerian origin have also been found. Bronze figure of the dancing girl. See how beautiful it is. The bronze figure of the dancing girl is a beautiful work of sculpture. Her right hand is on her hip in dancing posture. She is also wearing jewelry. Her left hand is covered with bangles made of stone. Her hair is neatly fashioned in the form of a bun. Sculpture in stone. Another famous
കൈ അങ്ങ് വേദനിക്കുന്നു ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിച്ച് ഓക്കെ ഞാൻ ആ സാധനം കൊണ്ടുവരാം അപ്പം എത്രയും ചെയ്യും